This is all my fault. Don't be such a fool, Panda. Yes, I am. Remember, you just told me. What did I? Oh, Andy Panda, I told you you are a spy. Come on there. Don't waste your time. What are you waiting for, kid?
I am not a spy.
What? I've been trying to tell you. I'm sorry about that.
He's trying to serious.
I know. Yeah, you're right, Prime. I am a fool. What happens that old woodpecker has failed, and I failed him for the first time. This is all my fault.
Oh, now you tell me.
Hello there, I come in peace.
Oh, Captain D, we're gonna execute Woody Woodpecker, and victory will be ours.
Yup, that's what happened.
Okay, is everything settled?
Oh yeah. Hello, racer fans. Welcome to the Season 1 finale of Woody Woodpecker Racing. And that's your new mustache?
Yes, I love it.
Anyways, Woody Woodpecker goes to challenge a greatest popular driver. The Minions, Kevin, Stuart, and Bob. The champion of London is a winner since 1968 and 2001, a villains only race winner in England. So, enjoy! Final race here on England. The last challenge against the Minions. Good luck, Woody.
Okay.
I'm ready for some fun. We'll see about that. Okay, pirates, listen up. Here's the plan that we have to kill Woody the Woodpecker. Here, first, right there. See? Kill him, and he'll be died as well. Second, sabotage the other characters, and let Lucius win. And number 3, our plan is finally finished. There. And you could see Chris drawing of him, very mad at him. So, anyone know how to do. So, any questions? No? Good. Then let's get started! Yes, Captain. Come on, Woodpecker. Win! Okay, listen up. I need you to keep concentrate. You did a good job for winning the race in Monte Carlo. Lindsay for hotness means good luck. Okay. Wait. Yes, what is it again? But Andy Panda must be popular. Hey, Woodpecker. Is it good, Max Rod? But Panda will work it for you. Yeah. Oh wait, I'll do it for Andy Panda.
Look, I love my hat.
Oh, hello. Welcome back to the race, and looks like we have a guest. It's Queen Elizabeth II.
Yeah, she's female, yeah.
And cute. Wait, I'm okay with it.
Okay, let's do this.
Ready?
Okay.
Get set. Go. There it goes. And they're off. Everybody is ready on the race. R. Okay, he's coming to the little clock tower. He's coming now. Okay, Art, here he comes. Yeah, let's do this. Say goodnight, Woodpecker. Well, we're finished. Well,
Looks like our legend is toast. Yep, we're doomed.
Do something. Okay.
what happened? I don't know, Captain. You shut up. You shut up. You shut up. I'm talking to my boss. Wait, did you say backup plan? A backup plan? A backup plan? Yeah, it's a backup plan. Here's everyone's and Woody's teammates. Yeah, he's gonna say, he's gonna go kaboom. Don't be so sorry, Panda. Yes. That's right, you're on. See ya later, suckers. Oh, beauty arc. Save it for him. Okay, he's gone. I'm getting you out of here. Wait. Oh.
I'm helping you out. Okay, it's my turn to...
Okay, shoot Lucius.
Okay. See you later, Lucius Highness the Savage.
Whoa, Lucius blowing an engine. Wait, Lucius has blown an engine? That's make me feel so much better. And he's in a straight for the wall. Oh, he's out of the race. You save our business.
Okay, time to put the self-destruct button.
The laser camera actionator puts self-destruct in 3, 2. Well, I got no time for a countdown. It'll destroyed now.
No! Yeah, we did it!
Wait, something's happening to me. Wait, wait, I'm magical. Hello there, Denzel. You're a ghost? Yeah, that's right. You have deserved. You are a true American spy. Whoa, wow, that's amazing. Hey, I'm a real American spy. Denzel was right all along. Yes, Duncan. And good luck anyways. Denzel? He's a ghost. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's get this plan started. And Andy Panda,
Yes?
you go help the spies and help the Woody Woodpecker friends and get them out of here before it's too late. Remember, may the spies be with you. Always.
Got it. Okay, everyone, let's go stop the pirate villain's army. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'll go with you.
Wait for me.
Ooh, I forgot Prime's laser's weapon.
No, we've lost our race. No. Andy Panda, crap, I'm gonna get you guys out of here. What are you all doing here? We're here because of you. Is everything okay? No, it's not. Daddy. Oh, Prime, you here? How are you? Listen to me. The bomb is on you. We're not trying to save the woodpecker. But don't look it. What? In the thing?
Uh-oh.
Andy Panda, there you are. So worried. No, don't touch me. No, wait. I'm not losing him again. But Dad, look at this.
You're going down, Woodpecker.
Uh-oh, looks like Woody Woodpecker's chasing that panda. And in the race? Yeah, that wasn't a part of the plan. And you don't understand. If you touch me, you could get really hurt. Well, that's very simple. None of that matters, cause we're best friends. What? Woody Woodpecker has chasing a panda.
Yes, it looks like I had to say this was because they were on a chase. Moments he's not a part. He's not in a race.
That's what you think.
No, Woodpecker, don't you get it? I'm the bomb. Yes, you're right. You are the bomb. You're always in the bomb. Stay away from me. No, never.
Almost there. I got you now.
I'm not leaving you.
I gotta get away from the Woodpecker. Rockets activated.
Oh my.
Bzz, 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 what? Bzz.
Looks like.
Huh? Bros.
What is happening with the panda?
Someone's crossing the finish line. Oh, looks like we have a winner. Woody Woodpecker. Yep, looks like Woody Woodpecker has won the race and blasted away like a rocket performed by the panda.
What?
Uh-oh.
Come on, you stupid control.
Dang it, we failed him.
Mommy!
The captain's on the run. He was trying to get the woodpecker.
Get the woodpecker!
Aye.